No axe chopping again. It's like slice some fillet skin out how you need it. Pt.1 Wharf, you don't know. It's like come out and get your snapper and the trout head for the broth. As a male, you have to power up the shaft. Remember say we don't walk girl and make them laugh, you know. Half a ball out in here. You see me yourself? Shush!
So we are at the fish market and we going in there and see what they got right now. It's a Tuesday. Monday is always a slow day, so it's a Tuesday. Let's go see what they got. Oh, the wharf, you got to see if they're unloading right now. You see, this is the most going thing, and folks would give up on that one right there, and it's inexpensive to this one.
Come to Guyana and get the best fish.
Yes.
One of the sweetest fish though, they're still alive, right?
Yeah.
If that catch you right there and clamp, they hold on and spin. Hustle and bustle, as you can see, it's deteriorated a lot. But still, showing this is gonna be like, oh, you want people to know what's going on.
Yes.
At least that would help them too. GUYAPORA, I'm here, man, supporting you guys. Good quality fish on the table every day, right? Even if it's not good, they make sure they go out and get the good ones, come back and get it done. So I gotta put them on.
I sell fish, I clean fish, and I smoke weed.
That's it.
Amen.